Mate, the mesh. Good to see this. Look, I've heard so much about it and seen your promotions you've done on it. I actually get a lot of people asking me about these sort of roof racks, about whether you can get some sort of a mesh floor on them, because people do like that, get up there and walk on them, and this is going to be a fantastic addition to the Wedgetail roof rack, is putting these mesh decks on them. People can now walk up there without having to worry about losing their balance between the rails.
Yeah, absolutely. It's good for firewood too. Stops it falling through the gaps and damaging the roof. But it's been a long time between visits, Tim, with the COVID lockdown and all, so we...
Yeah, mate. Really nicely done too. It looks really trick.
Yeah, well, let's get it on the roof, see what it looks like.
Yeah.
So what we want to do is line these
lugs up.
Yep, line the bolts up with the channels, like so.
Pretty easy to fit, really, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's pretty fast. But you want, the reason it's got so many bolts in it is so it doesn't vibrate.
Yep. On
the tracks, which is be very nice. So you literally just twist them now and just make sure that nut rotates in the channel.
Underneath, yep.
Yep. If it rotates, it's going to be secure. You can just poke your finger through and give them a hand if they're a bit sticky.
Too easy.
So make sure these ones are...
Need an Allen key now, have you got one?
Yeah, I've one I prepared earlier.
Always one prepared earlier.
Just as you do them up, make sure they stay perpendicular to the channel. So they've got to be at right
that
angle.
lug underneath.
Yeah, that's important. So those little teeth on the lug connect to the underside of that accessory bar.
Yeah. Really nice. It's be great now, yeah. As you say, stacking wood up it, any other bits and pieces. Now stand up here without having to worry about losing your balance on the rail.
Yeah, and if you need, like if you needed more covered area, you just get some more panels.
Yep, more sheets in it, yeah.
Another one here. But the idea behind the smaller panel is you can save the weight.
Yep, yeah.
If you don't need it all, you don't put it all up here. It's all saves weight. It's made of aluminium, so it's nice and
lightweight anyway.
Lightweight anyhow.
Cut a lot of weight out of it.
But the less weight you put on here, the more you can carry. So for you, you're mainly using it for the firewood, aren't you? And a little bit of...
Pretty much, yeah. Just get up here for firewood, and in case you can't reach something you want to tie down, you can stand up here without any issues now. And as I say, this is one addition that I've been asked a lot since this rack went on my car a couple of years ago. You know, about will they do a mesh floor of some sort for them, and now here it is.
Yeah, exactly right.
Really good. It's great. How's that?
Hey, it's pretty solid, isn't it?
That's great. See? Holding holds my weight, how's that? Solid as a rock, mate. Excellent stuff, that's really good.